hide the camera! Hide the camera! No! No!
Welcome back to Dave's channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, for more summertime vlogs, baby. Booyah! Yeah!
Labor Day party. It's a downpour.
It sucks. Somebody's got to go get the beer.
I'll go for a beer run. I was going for ice. I was dead serious.
Hey, you want us to get it?
I'm going. I don't know. I can't tell if we have enough beer for the 6 of us. Hold on, we got Mark working.
Why?
Oh, there we go. Look it. I don't know if he looks like a big raspberry, a plum, I don't know. We got him trained. Yeah, it's about time. Yeah, do you want to do one? Go ahead.
I can't drink and drive.
You know whose father's coming? They signed up. Keep an eye on it. She's trouble, they know it. Why do you have to sleep? I thought you knew how to do that. What's the, no, hold on. This is too funny. What's up with this kid out there? What? What? What the hell? Jake, you okay out there, buddy? All right, as long as you're okay.
Okay, so this is a message for Dave when you see it. Thanks for a great season.
Oh, yeah, facts. Dave, you're the freaking man, bro. I'm coming back.
Everything you do, we appreciate you as a property manager.
And a friend.
And a friend. Yeah, we had a really fun time this summer, and we're sorry for making you back.
Yeah, no, we're coming back.
Yeah, and I'm sorry if I ever pissed you off.
Yeah, summer of 2020. Summer 2020, bro. We're doing it bigger and better. Summer 2020. Slap.
Peace. Bye.
Does everybody tell you, Emma, you're a bad singer?
Yeah.
Let's hear something.
Yeah, let's hear that.
Well, this isn't a song I can sing to.
Alright. Sing
I
something.
can't sing off the top of my head.
Aw.
That's a song. I'll put what song? What is on?
Oh, Someone You Love by Louis.
Going under in the summer, feelings don't wanna see me.
I got the back.
Coming off and really goes away, you're driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody to stop, somebody. Who's better, me or Nina?
Neither is good.
Comment down below. Okay. Hi. Take over.
Oh no.
Labor Day, last day, bye. Lifeguards take over.
Here's my singing, guys. Comment down below if you think it's good. Thumbs up. You know the deal.
Like, comment, subscribe. Sorry. Why are you sitting on the floor?
Tell me something, girl.
Why are you on the floor?
Are you happy in this modern world? Oh, do you need more?
Oh God.
Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling.
That's so funny. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Debbie. Happy birthday to you. Woo!
I noticed he ran away.
Why?
I left you a nice message
Okay.
on the camera. Jake! Nina, what do you have to say? I have to say I love Labor Day. My favorite holiday of all time. Too. Yeah. Even though we're working on Labor Day. Yeah, like this is hard labor. A lot of people put the alcohol. A lot of people in the pool. The bins, like.
Yeah.
Isn't like mayo based on that?
I fuck with mayo. I thought I did like on sandwiches. Henry, I don't like mayo either. I thought I was done.
Hey everybody, hey you two, guess who's back? Henry. Henry's back, but Henry will be gone. Hey, look who is shoveling food in his pie hole. What a shock, it's Jake.
So we got some nice salad, 2 types of dressings, not just one. I don't know what this is, but Jake already dove in. Oh, potato salad. Jake already had some. Coleslaw, silverware, not edible, and plates. And then we have lettuce, tomato, onion, relish. I don't know. We'll come back to that. Black olives, green olives, pickles, yellow mustard, tomato ketchup, water, butter, clean towel, napkins. I think this is ranch. We got some hickory pit of the mason jar and real southern barbecue. But these are the same thing, and one is white and one is yellow. I don't know, man. And then we got Jake, Nina, Selena, Tyson, and Henry. Henry's leaving for Ireland tomorrow, guys. So, bye, Henry.
We're taking videos. Jake.
When you started. Hi there.
Hi.
Happy birthday, Debbie Bleasby. I know it's a special one. And one more. And Dave, thanks for all your hard work. You did a great job. It's almost over in 6 hours and 10 minutes. And I love country music.
Jake.
I'll give you a double clap.
Dual action. We got the ball camera and the GoPro. Okay, I'm hiding in the ice. This is really cold. Hello, peoples. Yes! Nice job. Okay, Casey. I gave it back up to your mom. Oh, that's so cool.
Get it on the bus.
Oh my god. That was a bad idea. I got another fail. Oh my god. Ah! Ow. Video shocks. Again. Come on. Can I come with you? Yeah, you can come with me, but just be careful that you don't get wet. Okay, I'm going again. Guys, this is the third try. It's gonna work this time. It's the third try. We got this. Oh no, 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 no! Here's 3. No, crap! Mark, I can't get you wet. Jason! Jay! Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I'll take that one. Okay, that one backfired, not on me, but on her. Dun dun dun. Oh my god. Ruh-roh. Jay's coming, I'm gonna get him. That was for change of clothes. Jay, you should feel really bad. No, not the defense. Not really bad. Not the show. Not the, Jay, please, not the showing. Jay, please. Jay, please. Not the showing. No, 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 no. Oh my god. How do you feel?
I feel really good. I'm dry now.
I like your shirt.
Thanks. For days.
Yeah. I'm sorry I have to do it. You already. Yeah.
Like, I don't know. She goes,
You already went in the pool.
I know, but now I'm all dry, so.
Okay.
You say?
I gotta do this one last time, okay? Psych!
No, this is sad.
No psych.
Oh, they really do get along.
Listen too.
Hey, I see you!
I'll cut that part out so you don't look bad. Well, that's about it for today. The Rampo 2019 pool season is now officially over. I don't know why I'm smiling, but it's officially over. Have a great day, great night, whenever the hell you're watching this, and I'll see you all again real soon. Be well, everybody.